1.8 million tons of drywall getting wasted in the United States every year in new construction.
With this understanding, the chances are if they're out of one product, they're out of 3 others at the same time.
Freight Fungi is a company devoted to reducing the amount of plastic in the world.
Hi, my name's Casey.
And I'm Chris. We are Ignite Donuts, a student-focused venture aiming to meet the nightly demands of students.
We launched kind of the hard public launch Sunday, March 17th. We have now, we are the 11th most downloaded app in the free sports category in the iOS during that 2-week period. We're the 27th most downloaded app in the entire iOS store.
Zach Huffman with Drone the News, winner of the best technology venture. That would have been 2 years ago. We've kind of pivoted a little bit from our initial opportunities of specifically working to train media groups, and now we are more providing services for those media groups. Business has been going incredibly well. We have our highest growth margin year this year, doing exceptionally well, growing exponentially. So I would say get involved as quickly as possible.